Welcome to your Activ8 system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 knee system for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the battery and charging cable included with your system. Remove the battery from the garment pocket, ensuring it is unplugged from the garment. Then, plug it into the charger. Charging can take up to 8 hours. 4 illuminated lights indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger and insert it into the Activ8 system pocket with the logo facing out. Connect the battery to the system using the built-in USB cable inside the garment. The USB cable can be plugged into either port on the battery. Both work the same. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 knee system for therapy. Start by positioning the narrowest part of the device behind your knee. The logo on the outside of the device should be centered at the back of your knee. Check that the therapy markers on the inside of the device are lined up on either side of your knee joint. Wrap the top and bottom straps across the front of your knee and secure them using the hook and loop closures. Make any final adjustments so the fit feels secure and comfortable. Just be careful not to over-tighten. When your therapy session is complete, gently remove the device from your body and disconnect the Activ8 battery from the system. If needed, charge the battery. A fully charged battery can last approximately 2 sessions before needing to be recharged.